Get ready for the ultimate blend of luxury, performance, and practicality, the 2025 Audi S7 Avant. This sleek, high-tech wagon is set to redefine what it means to drive in style. Under the hood, the 2025 Audi A7 Avant packs a punch. A turbocharged 3.0-liter V6 engine, paired with a 48-volt mild hybrid system, delivers an exhilarating 369 horsepower and 406 pound-feet of torque. Audi's Quattro all-wheel drive ensures maximum grip, while the smooth-shifting 8-speed automatic transmission keeps power delivery seamless. The A7 Avant rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.9 seconds. Adaptive air suspension and dynamic steering make every drive effortless, whether you're cruising highways or tackling sharp corners. Step inside, and you're surrounded by pure elegance. The Audi A7 Avant boasts a high-tech cockpit featuring a stunning 12.3-inch virtual cockpit display and a dual touchscreen MMI system with haptic feedback. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium Bang & Olufsen sound system take entertainment to the next level. Luxurious Valcona leather seats, ambient lighting, and a spacious cargo area make this wagon both stylish and practical. Plus, with advanced driver assistance features, safety is always a priority. The highly anticipated 2025 Audi A7 Avant is expected to arrive in late 2024. Pricing starts at around $75,000, with fully loaded models reaching up to $90,000. For those who crave performance, luxury, and practicality in one stunning package, the A7 Avant is a game changer. So what do you think of the 2025 Audi A7 Avant? Let us know in the comments and stay tuned for more thrilling automotive content. Ladies and gentlemen, get ready for the ultimate supercar experience. The 2025 Audi R8 is here, and it's more powerful, more advanced, and more breathtaking than ever. The heart of the 2025 Audi R8 is a naturally aspirated 5.2-liter V10 engine, pushing out an insane 620 horsepower and 427 pound-feet of torque. Paired with Audi's legendary Quattro all-wheel drive and a lightning-fast 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, this beast launches from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.1 seconds. A top speed of 205 miles per hour ensures that the R8 remains a true track weapon. With upgraded aerodynamics, adaptive suspension, and carbon ceramic brakes, every drive is an adrenaline rush. Step inside, and you're greeted by pure motorsport luxury. The 2025 R8 features Audi's virtual cockpit with a customizable 12.3-inch digital display. The minimalist driver-focused cockpit is wrapped in Alcantara and fine Napa leather, giving it a premium yet aggressive feel. The intuitive MMI infotainment system, wireless smartphone connectivity, and Bang & Olufsen sound system bring technology and entertainment to the next level. Every detail is designed to make you feel like a racer. The 2025 Audi R8 is expected to arrive in early 2025, marking the end of an era for the iconic Phi-10 supercar. Pricing starts at around $160,000, with high-performance variants exceeding $200,000. For those seeking a thrilling, track-ready experience with everyday usability, the R8 remains the ultimate dream car. What do you think of the new Audi R8? Let us know in the comments and stay tuned for more high-octane content. Ladies and gentlemen, buckle up. Because today we're diving into the exhilarating world of the 2025 Audi S5, a car that redefines style, luxury, and performance. Let's start with what makes the 2025 Audi S5 a masterpiece: its powertrain. Under the hood is a turbocharged 3.0-liter V6 engine delivering 349 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque. Paired with Audi's legendary Quattro all-wheel drive system and an 8-speed automatic transmission, the S5 offers speed and precision. The 0 to 60 mile-per-hour sprint, a thrilling 4.4 seconds. The adaptive suspension ensures a ride that's both smooth and dynamic, with drive modes to match your mood. Step inside, and you're greeted by a futuristic and luxurious cabin. The 2025 S5 features Audi's Virtual Cockpit Plus, a 12.3-inch digital display for navigation, performance data, and more. The 10.1-inch touchscreen infotainment system supports wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a Bang & Olufsen sound system. With fine Napa leather seats, brushed aluminum inlays, and ambient lighting, the S5's interior is first class. Practicality isn't forgotten, with ample trunk space and split folding rear seats. When can you get this beauty? The 2025 Audi S5 hits dealerships in late summer 2025. The base model starts around $56,000, with fully loaded trims reaching up to $65,000. It's a premium price, but the S5 delivers unmatched value in its class. So there you have it. The 2025 Audi S5. Power, luxury, and innovation in one stunning package. Stay tuned for more reviews, and as always, drive safe and stay inspired. The legendary Audi TT is back for 2025, delivering an exciting mix of performance, luxury, and cutting-edge design. This sports coupe is built for those who crave style, speed, and high-tech innovation. The 2025 Audi TT RS features a turbocharged 2.5-liter 5-cylinder engine with 400 horsepower, reaching 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.7 seconds. Audi's Quattro all-wheel drive ensures incredible grip, while the 7-speed S-tronic transmission delivers smooth, lightning-fast shifts. The standard TT model offers a 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine with 250 horsepower, hitting 0 to 60 miles per hour in 5.2 seconds. The electronic limited slip differential sharpens handling, and Audi Drive Select modes let you tailor performance to your preference. Inside the Audi Virtual Cockpit, a 12.3-inch digital display delivers stunning visuals. Premium leather and Alcantara materials create a luxurious feel, while the Bang & Olufsen sound system provides immersive audio. Wireless charging and voice control add modern convenience. Comfort features include ambient LED lighting, dual-zone climate control, and heated sports seats. Tech lovers will enjoy wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a Wi-Fi hotspot, and Audi Connect for real-time navigation. The 2025 Audi TT keeps its iconic silhouette, updated with a refined single-frame grille and LED matrix headlights for superior visibility. An active rear spoiler enhances aerodynamics at high speeds. Pricing starts at $55,000 for the standard TT, while the high-performance TT RS costs around $75,000. Given its advanced tech, exhilarating performance, and premium craftsmanship, the TT remains a strong value in the luxury sports coupe market. The 2025 Audi TT is a masterpiece of German engineering, delivering style, speed, and innovation. Is this your dream sports car? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more car content. See you in the next video.